Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance to buy USD easy method. Open the Binance app and sign in, then complete identity verification if needed. Next, enable 2FA and deposit funds using your preferred method. Use the Buy Crypto tab, select USD, enter an amount, and confirm the purchase. Keep receipts and monitor the wallet balance to ensure the transaction completed successfully. To place an order, navigate to Buy Crypto and choose USD as the asset to buy. Select your payment option, whether card, bank transfer, or existing crypto balance, and enter the amount you want to spend. Double-check the displayed fees, price, and received USD amount before confirming. After confirmation, monitor your Binance wallet for the USD deposit and save any transaction ID for your records. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading guides and tutorials comfortable on the go, so you can learn while commuting or waiting. I find it handy to store manuals and checklists next to my trading notes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with small test purchases to confirm your process and avoid avoidable errors. For larger holdings, consider withdrawing to a private wallet where you control the keys rather than leaving everything on the exchange. Always confirm domain names and never click suspicious links, and enable additional security like anti-phishing codes if available. Regularly review transaction history and update passwords periodically to reduce risk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.